Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash while avoiding cash advance APR traps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash without falling into cash advance APR traps, first, understand your credit card terms. Review the specific cash advance fees associated with your card. Locate an ATM that accepts your credit card provider. Confirm your credit card offers a cash withdrawal feature. Check your available credit limit for cash advances. Determine how much cash you need to withdraw. Access your credit card's ATM PIN, which you may need to set up in advance. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select the option for a cash withdrawal. Input the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind your credit limit. After the transaction, take the printed receipt for your records. Consider using your debit card to withdraw cash from your bank account instead. This will help you avoid cash advance fees altogether. Aim to pay back the withdrawn amount as soon as possible. Monitor your account for any unexpected charges. If possible, withdraw cash only from ATMs within your network to minimize fees. Remember that cash advances typically accrue interest immediately. Following these steps can help you navigate cash withdrawals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.